Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. This is a fun fall must-have item, so I'm really excited for this. This was a little bit of an impulse purchase. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. As you can see, one of my favorite boxes, Chanel. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Can you take a guess? So we've got our beautiful new Chanel dust bag. We've got a little information card with some details. You know, I'm kind of sad that the certain items from Chanel don't come with the beautiful little flower. I forget the name of what it's called, but it's typically just handbags. I will say when I purchased my Chanel mini square from the Neiman Marcus Chanel boutique, I was so sad that it didn't come with the camellia flower, but it wasn't a complete deal breaker for me. All right, let's see what's inside. What fall staple I have in here. Ta-da! These are the beautiful Slingback Chanel flats in women's size 7. I was very excited to be able to get a pair of these. I have the Chanel flats that are in the beige and black, and I was thinking about getting the flat slingbacks in the beige and black, but I'm actually really happy that I went with the black, only because they didn't have the beige and black available. But again, I just want to give a huge shout out to Rebecca for helping me source this. I will link her Instagram down below. I was thankful enough to become acquainted with her through Alyssa and Cassie at an event that we went to back in the winter earlier this year. And I reached out to her and she was so sweet and so helpful and able to help me get these. And it was such a seamless, easy process. She has availability on so many products, by the way. So she was able and kind enough to share her link with me where there's daily updates on new products and items that come in. She has access to a multitude of different brands from Dior to Fendi, Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. I mean, anything and everything you can imagine. And she was so sweet and able to help me. So I hope to be purchasing from her again soon. I do have my eye on some Chanel and Celine handbags, so I haven't pulled the trigger yet on a handbag this year. I've been very good with building the house and everything, so I got my purchases out of the way last year and have not purchased a handbag at all for 2023. I'm proud of myself, but I'm also coming up on that point of the year where I'm like, okay, we're moved into the house. Yes, we have some additional expenses. We're still furnishing things. We're, spending on window treatments and other responsibilities that come with a new home. But I think it's time, right? Maybe I'll treat myself. So these are the beautiful all black Chanel slingback flats. I'm so happy to have these. I think they're going to be a beautiful fall staple. They're such a classic piece, and because they're flats, they're an item that I will have with me through the years to come. I can see myself wearing this as I mature and get older, and I think it goes well with so many different outfits. I can wear it for work. I can also wear it with jeans on a casual level. I think pairing it with jeans and a nice shirt and a blazer with a pair of jeans looks great. So I'm really excited to style these. Head over to my Instagram if you don't already follow me, where I will be posting uploads of how I style these shoes. If you own these already and you style them in different ways, please be sure to comment below and let me know. If you don't already own these, comment on what you think. Again, made in Italy. I'm a little bummed that they're not made in France, but not a complete deal breaker. I think the quality is just as good in my personal opinion, and I am very happy with these. So I am going to be trying these on for you guys. Let's go ahead and see how they look in the mirror. Okay, now again, I'm wearing leggings and a sweatshirt, so this is my casual outfit for the day. I would definitely not wear these flats. Hi, Charlie. With the outfit I'm wearing right now, I would probably pair these with jeans, and I can showcase some pictures here on how I would style them. But I just think they're so cute. Such a classy, chic pair of flats. And I could see myself wearing these with a skirt or a dress as well. I'm thinking about getting the block heel version. Let me know what you guys think. I think that's another classy pair as well. Okay, so I am just trying these Chanel flats on with my new Everlane pants. These are the Way High Drape pant in size 4. I got these recently for work. They're a little tight on the waist. Probably could have gone with a size 6, but my only worry is because I am a little more on the short side, I feel like it might have been a little too large on the leg. I totally see myself wearing these, and I think that the pants are a perfect length. Let me know what you guys think.